Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's see the solution to employee salaries, an SQL question on HackerRank. Write a query that prints list of employee names, that is the name attribute for employees in employee table having salary greater than $2,000 per month who have been employed for less than 10 months, and also sort your result by ascending employee ID. We have this table with columns employee ID of type integer, name string, months integer, and salary integer. We have some input data here, employee ID, name, months, how many months they have been employed, and their salary. So let's select the names, select name from employee only. We have selected the names, those names having salary greater than 2000. We can apply a where class where salary is greater than 2000. And also we have another condition: the employee should be employed less than 10 months. So to combine two conditions, we can use the logical operators. In this case, since both conditions should be true, we have to use the AND logical operator to make sure that both the salary is greater than 2000 and the employee is employed less than 10 months. So we gotta say month is less than 10, months is less than 10. And also at the third part, it says sort your result by ascending employee ID. So we are going to sort that using the order by class, order by employee underscore ID. So let's run the code. It's accepted and submit the code. Yeah, it passes the test cases. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.